ngake ngadlela intombi but hey angishilo mina mangisegoli noma ngifonelwa enye friend yami kuthi ndoda umjito so impintshi yakho ilala necherry yakho le evakashile
sure
bana mabunda I decided to ukuthi ngingamtshela ukuthi I'm coming ngavela njengemvana isikhathi ngashongo ngavela njengesela
sure
and remember ngiyazi khabo guy ngathi mangifika ngibeka isikhwama ekhaya nga straight eroomini la kaMjida. Guess what? I found him.
Hey man,
ayikho into ebhlungu njengalento ukuthi oyi-one when wachita wabanjwa noma ningazama ukuyilungisa ayingabi safana leyo relationship. But if people can understand how deep is cheating,
ayikho indawo la linganethi khona.
Mabunda ave kuyingozi ukuba nomngani othi maye nawe akhuluma ilanguage eyodwa nawe athi masafika kwabanye akhuluma ilanguage ephikisana naleni ikhuluma nomabili.
Sometimes kubalekile ukuzenza ngathi uyakhala kanti awukhali nje uhappy. Mawudibana nabantu abakhala ngama relationship abakhala na mara vele yaza relate wazi kahle ukuthi uhappy
since khathi but kufanele uact kwangathi usodakeni kubantu abasodakeni for the sake of uzirescue wena hayi ngoba usodakeni usoshabeni wena.
Ave kubhlungu but ukuthi ube close nomngani athi aqeda ukuthenga imoto angasakuboneza umngani ayoba umngani kwabantu abanezimoto kuphela. Ave kubhlungu but uthandane nomuntu angasebenzi athi uma sekasebenza aphenduka ashintsha abe yinyinto kufike lento bokukose improve impilo zeni iphenduka ibe isiqalekiso. Before uyocela ku advise emntwini ethize cala ucheck inhliziyo yakhe ukuthi ingakuphi ngoba kunabangani mango esicabanga ukuthi they want what's best for us kanti they want what's worst for us. Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. This is where we have real conversations that seek to inspire, build every person that comes across it. As always, angikho ngedwa bafethu, I'm always with my brother Sbuda the Buddha. Sbuda, right put?
Yeah, ngi right put no right one.
Nami ngikrene nje.
I know sesivukile sibuyile Real Talk with Amadoda Anyagazisa Umuzi. Sibingelele yonke South Africa. Sibingelele wonke umhlaba. Njoba nazi ke bafethu siya Real Talk. Ngifundile ke mabondo ukuthi the better we start the better sizokwazi ukuphusha ngoba sisheshe
sicede uyashisa nene uyashisa uzokusiza this conversations mnandi kakhulu
no but angishisi ukuthi I had time yokubheka iReal Talk yabo mangiyibheka isheshe iphele kabhlungu so ngikhulumela for abantu abasibhekayo yabo so ngathi kuba ngcono masisheshe sicale
yazi but kungcono zimshiya umuntu asana leyo
right
so that azokhona ukuchecka the next episode yabona because mayiphela la khona asazuba umnani khona athi imenza kusasa abuye yabona angakhohlwa nalosibikele to like and subscribe yabona
bafethu ngizamile kunikhulumela nimzule kumabunda so ayivele
episode number 12 mango. Apparently 12 represents completion according to Ama scrollers. They say it's a complete number, but asikho lapho. But there's something engifisa wangathi singakhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Indaba yokufaka abantu uma uqabene nomuntu othize
ukumfaka
indaba yokufaka abantu
when
uma oqabene nomuntu othize
eshboti
what eshboti now I got time to experience and deal with few cases there and there so intenzekile uthola ukuthi this was a couple that was fighting kwabizwa umuntu wesithathu to the war does it make sense now uma
how ngenzeni manje
no I'm trying to focus
okay
so what happened is kwaqala kwaliwa makuliwa ke bhoti ke it's fine kwaliwa this is between two people
sure
kwalungiswa ke kodwa ngasala nginenzondo
for loyo muntu sure
because according to me they were not supposed to fix whatsoever that they were fixing
because bebacabene
sure. And it was serious this brought me to a conversation la khona ngicabanga khona ukuthi kunabantu abashadile these two people they are married man and njengoba bashadile these two people lo wesifazana uhlezi akukhuluma umkhwenyana kabi kwifamily
yakhe but
now I challenge ke manje naye umkhwenyana akasakhona ukuya
kabo lo ntombazana
yeah because of izinto lezi lo ntombazana ayishoyo uma bacabene angazi if it makes sense I don't know if you get what I'm saying kunabantu namhlanje ke engifuna sokhuluma nabo sibalaphe to say it's very important one to protect dignity yomuntu wakho it's very important not to overshare every challenge that you face with lo muntu othandana naye or with your family member because uthola ukuthi ubuthicabene as a family whether it's between me and my brothers or it's between me and my sisters we are fighting then ngithathe lempi yethu ngiyise ngiyotshela abantu bangaphandle who are not part of the family kanti sizosala silungise laba ngaphandle ke basale nalento ukuthi labantu laba bazwana does it make sense now mangiya ngaphandle labantu laba bayamangala ke nami sengiyasaba vele ukuvela nabo bhuti nabo sisi because why ngibatshele ukuthi siyalo so now kubonakala ngathi ngiphici the minute ngivela ngaphandle and what how labantu laba bayazwana I want us to dive in on something like that
okay but asicale la silungiselana bhuti
sure
this one ngifaka istembu
sure
as it is ngifaka istembu
sure
ayingenwa impi yabantu abalala nayo
sibu
ayingenwa impi yabantu abashare umbhede
sure
you understand
sure nabantu begazi
sure you understand now the thing is buti uma these people bethandana
sure
mina that is why buti mina I'm going to be honest with you
sure
uthando noxolo
sure
izinto ezihambiselana zombili
I repeat that
forgiveness and love
sure
they are twins
sure
now uma uxabana nomuntu wakho
sure
akukhulume kabi kufamily
sure
ngalesikhathi nisacabene
sure
bantu bayakhohlwa ukuthi phela ifamily ayithandani nomuntu wakho
sure
wena osukuthandana nalowo muntu and obvious uma senilungisa futhi ngoba uyamthanda that is why ngithi uxolo nothando zihambisana zombili you understand that is why butika kubalekile when abantu bexabana uma beyibeka etafuleni
sure
ukuthi ukhulume kahle
sure
ukuthi uma ukhuluma kahle ukhulumela ini ube bear in mind bayalalana lapha futhi bayathandana bashadile baku relationship and uma kusasa seba right lamazo wakhulumile uyowakhipha kanjani you understand because it's the truth but into yabantu about two that is why uma uyilungisa noma uyingena zama compromise zama ukushaya side to side you understand
ngamanye amagama if in case you are invited to deal with the case abantu about two
sure
khipha ama feelings ukuthi uclose nobani khipha ama feelings ukuthi uzonda bani ungadili nomuntu dila nenkinga abanayo ngoba iphutha ongalenza ukushaya umuntu oyi1 uyeke lo munye kanti labantu laba at the end of the day foundation yabo uthando at the end of the day foundation abantu laba igazi not knowing manga ukuthi uma uzokhetha iside lomunye umuntu you don't know ukuthi umuntu umthanda kangakanani the end of the day bajika ngale sebalungisa indaba zabo wena sosala usenkingeni kanti ayingenwa indaba yabantu abathu including friends cause manga kunabantu but abangena indaba zabantu abathu who are best friends since from basasebancane till where they are they've been friends labantu laba but can I say something?
Say it, sir.
ayikho indawo la linganethi khona. What do I mean by that?
Yo, but
there is no place where there are no challenges. As long as kunabantu, mango, there's gonna be fights, there's gonna be challenges, there's gonna be disagreements there and there. And some of the disagreements, they might look as if it's the end of everything, and it's only the beginning of things. So ungangeni in a mentality yokuthi kuzohlukana la, including you as a couple, including you as a brother and sister, father and son, or father and daughter. When you're fixing issues, bear in mind there is a future.
But bengicela mfethu ukuyi-addressa le.
Sure.
And it's something ekhona into abantu ababhekana nayo.
Sure.
And lolu hlobo lwabantu lole engizolichaza manje ave luyingozi. Mabunda ave kuyingozi ukuba nomngani othi maye nawe akhuluma ilanguage yodwa nawe, athi masafika kwabanye akhuluma ilanguage ephikisana naleni ikhuluma nomabili. Makafika kumina ubabovu, makafika kuwena shintsha ikhala bepink, amaphiqiphiqi ke lawo. We've got such people but whereby kuwena ukhuluma into ethize kumina ifana nokuthi uma enathi sobabili akhulume kabo munye. Yini into ezomvimba noma sekanayo lo munye akhulume ngathi kabi? Ifana nalento ukuthi ibhuti umuntu azokutshela ukuthi hey bebakuhleba ozibani mabangihleba wena bothini.
That's the question.
Yeah, that's the question, because there's no way abantu bangihlebe bese uyathula at least ngidefendeke, because abanye bayathula bakuhlebe futhi bafake ba-edo on top of lento abakuhleba yona aqeda lapha azogijimeze kuwena athi hayi ubani amaphiqiphiqi.
Ngamanye amagama mangu safe ukurelease a statement esithi hlukana nomuntu ongeke a-address izinto face to face. Ngamanye amagama njalo lo muntu kwamele uzo ngomunye umuntu kuze awumphathanga kahle. Wonke umuntu mango ongeke, whether is a friend, whether is a colleague, ongeke akubheke ngqo straight emehlweni akutshele mfethu into esoneso angithandanga, hlukana naloyo muntu. Kutheni uma ngokukhubazile wena kosiyotshela umunye umuntu ungazi uzotshela mina face to face? Meaning to say you have the responsibility as the person to check lento ukuthi every time kuthiwa no sibani uthe wena umenze 1 2 3 4 5 why angazi azongitshela straight? Kutheni kwamele ngizwe via someone else? Does it make sense? No, I understand if it's for the first time, but all the time when I'm on inkinga nami kwamele ngizwe ngabantu ukuthi wena awuzwani nami uloku nami. So it doesn't work like that.
Mina, that is why but mfethu I'll tell you a true friend, it's someone who will defend you in your absence.
That's true.
It's someone who ozokhuluma even noma kuthiwa kunabantu abaku-attack-ayo. Uzokudefenda. Futhi uma ngabe wrong futhi uzokuconfront. Because but mina I won't lie to you. Yazi but mina I discovered something baba. Ukuthi into eyingozi empilweni ngabantu surrounda nabo ukuthi banjani. Because kunabantu aba-right, kunabantu aba-wrong. That is why ngithi mina as much as abanye bangathi no la ku real talk ngathi nikhuluma abantu ababad nani but kungcono sikhiphe amaxoki empilweni yakho kunokuthi uphumelele namaxoki. Because uma uzophumelela nabantu abakuzondayo bayokubulala sebafika phezulu, kungcono sik-expose labantu usesephansi ukuthi mhlazana uphakame nabantu aba-genuine, uphakame nabantu aba-real. I'm being for real but
that's the truth. You know masakhuluma so but do you know ukuthi one of the most dangerous kinds of friends are friends mango abangafuna ukutshelwa uma ba-wrong. Do you know like that, those kind of friends but who do not want to be told to say mfethu this decision that thing iyabheda, that thing and that thing oyenzile iyabheda, who always want to be right and who wants everyone to take their advices but they don't want to be advised. Angazi if it makes sense. Be careful of such friends. Friends who are never recognizing and admitting when they are wrong, but who want to be seen as the perfectionist. Ungcono umngane but okhona ukumkhuza, because umngane okhona ukumkhuza nayo yakhona ukumkhuza, but lo ongakhuzeki ushaya umuntu wakhe akakhuzeki uyaphuza every, because remember kugcina kubonakala kwangathi nina nim advisor bad kanti akezwa lo muntu lona Good.
Ishbuti.
No, mara, it's the truth.
Mina ngisazohleka la ku real talk.
Imagine.
Ebhuti. Ukuhleka is a good medicine. Eish. Akezwa. Yasibhuti into engishayo ngama couples mawexabana.
Sure.
Or umuntu mangekho right nomuntu wakhe.
Sure.
Ukuthi mabexabana.
Sure.
Bakhona ukukutshela. Kodwa mabalungisile abakutsheli.
Yeni yahlukana indaba zabantu abawu2. Yebo. Do you know what lento le ishayena yashana mindeni?
Sure.
Cause uma let's say nicabene. Yasibalekile sometimes ukufihla. Nivele kwangathi as mind you, as long as inga involve physical abuse.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I'll repeat. As long as inga involve physical abuse.
Yeah.
Cause as be honest man. Kulabo bashadile. Ezinye zeinkinga enithi zinkulu. Sometimes akuthi zinkulu ngaleyo ndlela.
Ukuthi singavela.
Angibamba.
Khuluma. Sichazele mabunda. Asinkulu kakhulu ukuthi zingavela.
Ezinye zeinkinga.
Sure.
Akusukuthi zinkulu ngalendlela engicabanga ukuthi zinkulu ngayo.
Okay.
Ukuthi nje anisavulanga umnyango ngasekameleni nenze izinto ezenze ekameleni.
Oh ngase ngibamba.
Sometimes before uyotshela umngani wakho ukuthi wena nomuntu wakho yini or uyotshela umndeni wakho ukuthi siyalwa lapha ekhaya asazwani nani how about uvula ukamera nje ningene ninze lokho kwenza ngale bese niyabuya ubone ukuthi usanayo lentshisakalo usanayo lentshisakalo yokuhamba yochazela abangani ukuthi kwenzakalani ukuthi ngicabene because sometimes kungenzeka maniqeda ukuvula ikamera manibuya ilanguage izoshintsha angazi if it makes sense you get what I'm saying so iphutha labantu abaningi is to undermine these small things. They are rushing to taking isn't because man ungathatha into kuwe obhekana nayo uyilethe kimi ngamehlo wami ngiyithathe ngiexpand kanti into lebe kose incane yeah
kahle kahle mabunda what you are saying is usengayibona inkulu lenkinga
sure
kanti dinga nje uthenga uchocolate
ayiphinde mvamile
usengayibona inkinga nilwa
sure
ubona kwangazi ukuthi lempi lena ingafaka abazali ifake ama family member kanti idinga ama flowers
ayiphinde mvamile
idinga nje ukuthi uthi I love you
buthi
idinga nje umtshelo wafowethu
How Shakespeare welcome back chief welcome back chief
Puti come on
welcome back welcome back
yeah so
no yeah
so but you know it's very important sometimes man
sure
nithi manilwa nomuntu wakho
sure
onilwa as a friend
sure
in the middle of the conversation umtshela ukuthi yamthanda
yeah
umtshela ukuthi no man I appreciate you
sure
I still see you as a person lawyer you understand because at some point but ave kubhlungu ukuthi nizodila nenkinga bese niyazikhohlwa nini ukuthi no at the first place before inkinga yini into enhlanganisile
sure
you understand that is why kunabantu mfowethu mabunda into yabo yayi right but up until they meet ama challenges that's why at some point it's very important to remind each other sadibaniswa yini you understand so ileyo nto but mina I discovered
you know Masa khuluma so you are reminding me to say iphuthe silenzayo buti ukuvumela izinto esidibane nazo ngendlela listen to me it's very possible to outgrow people to outgrow friends to outgrow a partner it's a serious possibility kwenzeka uthandane nomuntu uzithole outgrowile ngenzeka ube nomngani but as time goes on untole ukuthi you have now outgrown each other now But there's something that I wanted to say and address. To say, ungavumeli izinto enithola ngendlela zinihlukanisa. Ave kubhlungu futhi ukuthi ube close nomngane athi aqeda ukuthenga imoto angasakubone zomngane ayoba umngane kwabantu abanezimoto kuphela. Ave kubhlungu futhi uthandane nomuntu angasebenzi athi uma sekasebenza aphenduka ashintsha abe yinyinto kufike lento bokukose improve impilo zeni iphenduka ibe isiqalekiso ngoba sinenkinga in our generation whereby we allow izinto zazingekho uma sidibana zisihlukanisa. Angazi if it makes sense. I know of friends but very close friends but success separated them. Uthola ukuthi lo impumelelo ethe mayifika ke waqala washintsha wabona kwangathi umngani wakhe ugreedy nani. Kanti sometimes zonke lezi zinto lezi bafethu izinto zendlela. At the end of the day bafethu there are friends that we need to cherish, more especially friends that genuinely love us. So bafethu asingavumeli izinto esithola ngendlela zimoshe into enhle that has been going on.
Cela ungibambele but yazi prophet
sure.
As we are diving deep in this conversation,
sure,
I'm discovering something.
Sure.
Ukuthi let us be careful.
Sure.
Ngabangani. Especially mawunentenhle.
Sure.
Ngikhuluma lento le ngayiphi engel.
Sure.
But futhi yenza kakhulu kubantu besifazane.
Women are worse.
Are worse women whereby abangani boy 4.
Sure.
And njoba bangabangani boy 4.
Sure.
Imijolo yabo boy 3 ayibahambeli kahle. But wena thotlo wena US 4 owakho uhamba kahle.
Sure.
Uyanikezwa imali every month and you share to these people about 3. Uthengelwa namaflower ungikhipha out chomi ungenzela 1 2 3.
Sure.
And yet laba about 3 ekungabahambeli kahle kuma relationships wabo uyavuka umona. Ungizwe kahle ke bhuti.
Sure.
Angeke bak advise bad.
Sure.
Nisese right nomuntu wakho.
Sure.
But bayothola ithuba the day nicabana. But friends isikhathi ukuthi manje simnikeza ama bad advice akahlukana nalowo muntu. Yet bona kule mijolo yabo la those toxic boyfriends laba babashaya benza yonke into bona babayeki but wena uxabane nayo ushare lento. Obvious uma uzoyishare bazothatha opportunity bak advice ngama advices are wrong.
Sure.
Ugcina usuyeka into right ngama advice are wrong avela kubangani bakho.
Ngamanye amagama mango uthi before uyoqela ku advise emntwini ethize cala ucheck inhliziyo yakhe ukuthi ingakuphi. Ngoba kunabangani mango esicabanga ukuthi they want what's best for us kanti they want what's worst for us. Uyingozi but umngani o desire impilo yakho or okumonelayo empilweni ngoba any advice azokunikeza yona ipoison. And iphutha silenza mango ukuthi ke si overshare izinto kubantu esingazi ukuthi inhliziyo zabo zikuphi. Ngeke mango umuntu kwayena futhi ukuthi into zakhe azihambi kahle. Waye kumuntu izinto zakhe zingahambi kahle. Ingakho futhi how I so wish kwangathi our generation of young men and our generation of young women they can find a way to become friends with abantu abadala who have what they desire.
Indlela ibuzwa
kwabantu. Angazi if it makes sense. So uthola ukuthi njengoba ungubaba umango.
Sure.
Uthole i-opportunity ukuhlala nabo baba who are gonna give you right and relevant advices that they have been there throughout the journey because intanga zakho thina mango singak-advisor based on impi esingakaze sayilwa ayikho into dangerous kanjalo. I'm telling you uthola ukuthi uadvisor umuntu okutshelayo ukuthi empini kuluwa kangakanani but umbuzo have you ever been to the fight wena self? Oh emango have you ever been inside a battlefield ngoba kungenzeka manje kunamasoja ayofuna ama-advice kuma-civilians kanti i-civilians aliyazi i-sound ye-bomb ukuthi le yi-bomb le is pharmacies, this is the kind of a gun, this is what but thina usithole futhi si-acte kwangathi siphuma empini kanti asikaze sangena empini siku-advise outside of war kanti ingcono i-advise yesoja eliphakathi empini ngoba uzokutshela based on ama-sound asempini ngoba kune-sound ozoyizwa phakathi empini bathi bhala umuzi umuntu akutshela no le ganeso asihlehlele emuva siyaphambili
because
uyayazi le sound le but wathatha umuntu ongayazi sound uyobaleka and uyoku-advise nokuthi ubaleke kanti you are supposed to go
sikuphi bhuti Nkosi yami
kusase
okay, I've never shared this to you.
Sure.
It's first time sharing this to
I
you.
wonder what's that.
It's a bomb, man.
Sure.
Yeah, it's personal.
Sure.
Because abanye banokucabanga ukuthi osibuba khuluma kakhulu abayazi lento abakhuluma ngayo.
Sure.
Ngani bhuti at some point nginamanxeba.
Sure.
Yeah. Ngake ngadlelwa intombi bhuti.
Hey.
Angishilo. Ngake umuntu engeke ngathandana naye uke wangichithela, and I remember during that time bengisesesikolweni.
Sure.
I was doing grade 11.
Sure.
During that time, grade 11 or grade 12, between there.
Sure.
And this girl angithandana naye, and uma ngithandana naye into yangilimaza because bhuti kuyenzeka umuntu akuchithele ne.
Sure.
But the moment ubona lo muntu akuchithela naye kube yiyona ekulimaza kakhulu
more than lento ayenzile
uthi kubo bonke abantu why this person
abafazi bayithanda leyo nto bakuchithele nabantu bhuti ongakaze wa expect ukuthi this kind mara.
And guess what?
Sure.
Ngathi ngisegoli kuvalwe ikolo.
Sure.
Ngiyovakashela uma.
Sure.
Usisi short besingahlala endaweni eyodwa.
Sure.
And best friend yami, I won't mention his name.
Sure.
Uyazi ngishana lo sisi.
Sure.
What happened is mangiyovakashela uma saphambana. Ngaba nento ukuthi no ngizohlala isikhathi esincane kuma oledi.
Sure.
And kuma oledi ngizohlala isikhathi esincane bese ngiyeza.
Sure.
Wena ungahambi ngakafiki.
Sure.
Guess what Mabunda? Mina mangisegoli noma ngifonelwa enye friend yami ukuthi ndoda umjito so impintshi yakho ilala necherry yakho le evakashile.
Sure.
Oh fana Mabunda. I didn't believe that because I had that thing ukuthi uyangimonasela uyangijelasela.
Sure.
Guess what? I decided to ukuthi ngingamtshela ukuthi I'm coming. Ngavela njengemvana. Isikhathi ngashongo ngavela njengesela.
Sure.
And ngenza sure ukuthi ngithatha itaxi yasekuseni.
Sure.
I compromise kuma mama ngiyahamba, there's something nama assignment because ngiyabhala. Mabunda ngathi mangiceda ukufika efeni ngabeka isikhwama. And remember ngiyazi khabo guy. Ngathi mangifika ngibeka isikhwama ekhaya ngaya straight eroomini la kaMjida. Guess what? I found him.
Hey man.
Yeah. I found him. I couldn't fight. Joba ngichazela into elimazayo ukuthi have kubhlungu ukubetray ibest friend yakho.
Yo,
have kubhlungu ukubetray umacala. Have kubhlungu ukubetray umuntu okudlithenda umuntu mfethu kade uwana uvuko ngumngane. Tholakala ukuthi uchitha nomuntu wakho. Ayikho into ebhlungu njengale nto Mabunda.
Yo,
ngiyazi ngikushokile namanje.
Yazi bhuti lento le oyishoyo. I'm aware ukuthi kunamachita ngaphandle as we speak. Sifika kanjani la?
Silendi.
Abalinyazwa ngabantu abaclose nabo. Uthola ukuthi ungumjida, you're going through financial situations whereby izinto azihambi kahle ngokwe finance kanti ubafo izinto zemhambela kahle athathe iadvantage yokuthi you are going through something so that asinike in aglitend ayikho into ebuhlungu njengaleyo even worse mango nakubantu besifazana wake wabed mouth umngani wakho kumuntu omthandayo and ayingoba
bad mouth
but
kufuna lo
but I know sisters man who were bad mouthed by their own sisters biologically to their partners. I know brothers who were bad mouthed by their own partners simply because of umuntu ufuna lo muntu onayo but ba check abantu la ngaphandle ukuthi the partner that you have what type of a partner it is. How do you tell someone into engakamtsheli yona mina hayi ukuthi ngeke ngimtshele I'm not yet ready to tell you emang as partners and as people more especially people that are in relationship partner yakho uyayazi ukuthi okay this is the perfect time to tell him this is the perfect time to tell him this is the perfect time to tell him not that I'm not gonna tell you but usisi decide ukutshela umuntu wakho into kungakosanga umtshele something that we are supposed to tell him not because of bekamtshela ngoba uyamthanda lo mjini but because beka expect le bomb le azoyisho izonhlukanisa
yazi but lento oyikhulumayo ngesizulu sibiza ukuthi uyakrabhela usho ukuthi uyakrabha
sure
okusho ukuthi kunabantu abagade ukuthi wenza iphutha
sure
so that bazokwazi ukumoshela lento nayo mina buti kunesisho akusisisho lesi into ayikhulunywa ugogo wami
sure
I understand it now as I've grown up
sure
you understand
sure.
ukuthi buti ugogo kunento ayevama ukisho
sure
athi sibundo dana yami
sure
akusiyo yonke into ethi mangabe iphumelele empilweni yakho
sure
uyitshela abangani
or
uyikhulume esidlangalaleni
sure
ezinye zezinto kufuna uyikhiphe kuwe
sure
noma ngabe zinhle kangakanani keep it to yourself
sure
whether esikolweni uyaphasa whether esikolweni wenza in kune ma achievement keep it to yourself
sure
ngoba angeke wazi ukuthi ubani lo mtshelayo
sure
khayikibo uyofika tshele bani
sure.
Because during that time obvious uma nifunda amabunda utshela umuntu ukuthi ubani bani uyasihlula eklasini ubani bani usikhombisile report yakhe noma ungafundi naye ayotshela gogo wakhe le kana ugogo wakhe ugibela
chemical engineering smooth chemical engineering
I only understand it now kwesinye isikhathi but
sure
kufanele uact kwangathi usodakeni kubantu abasodakeni
sure.
For the sake of uzirescue wena hayi ngoba usodakeni usoshabeni wena uzisave wena ukuthi bangakubulali ngoba uyalazi lo hlobo labantu ohamba nabo ukuthi abantu abanjani
okusho ukuthi ke mango sometimes kubalekile ukuzenza ngathi uyakhala kanti awukhali nje uhappy mawudibana nabantu abakhala ngama relationship abakhala na mara vele yaza relate wazi kahle ukuthi uhappy ngoba bayozibuza ukuthi wena ongakhalini uspecial ngani
into special ngawo
mang angazi but avika sesiyayivala manje siyayivala manje phela kabuhlungu okay sure. You know while I'm speaking about lento yok overshare mang
sure
abekho abantu aba dangerous mango empilweni njengabantu mango abafuna impilo onayo number 2 iphutha ongilenzayo mango
sure
uma uyothatha inkinga zakho utshela umngane wakho re family yakho 1 kululu kwakha mango but kunzima no kululu kubhidliza but kunzima ukwakha ebafethu learn to protect the dignity of your friends of your partner of your family Do you know ukuthi uma ngithatha into esibhekana nayo mangu or our disagreement ngiyithatha ngiyisa ngaphandle kuyofana nokuthi ngiyakuhlubula mangu I'm stripping you naked ngiyakhumula ngoba kunabantu mangu abakuzondayo labo bantu abakuzondayo mangu angeke bakubuke ngamehlo a right balinde wenza iphutha basale bathi vele sasimbona usibu bavele benze ukuthi lento esinayo igcina ingasaqini hayi ngoba bethanda mina ngoba ngeke bazonda lento esinayo same applies to ama relation kunabantu abangayithandi lento nayo and they're waiting man they're waiting for that opportunity and for that door for you to say something and by you saying something you're giving them access to something that they're not supposed to have. Hayi
mabundo kadlile
man
yeah no but sesivala lento oyishoyo it's very true
sure
it is very true sir and that's why ngithi I won't lie this platform a real talk
sure
a real talk it has become a healing for me a healing for me in part of the things I didn't heal.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Because I talk.
Sure.
That's why bafowethu kubalekile ukukhulu.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Did you heal?
I did.
From
incident? Yeah, I did. I did because uzomangala because we still talk no bafo. Sese impintshi like mangifikile. Endo to grand.
Awucabanga ngomshaya.
Alo, 10 plus ke but ngisesentwana.
Ever asked him ever asked him to say mfethu wawubonini lapha ya
angizange ngambuza leyo nto and since that is why Bhuti ungizwe kahle
sure
kunabantu ekose ubaxolele
sure
but ungasabasondeze eduzane nawo
I hear you
umthandele kude lo muntu
sure
you understand
sure
it's very important
sure
hey ngubani nosimemeza
ubhuti wakho yazi kubeke
you understand Bhuti
sure
akusibo bonke abantu ekose uthi mawubaxolela ubasondeze
sure
abanye abantu kufuna yini manje Prophet asivale le talk
ukuthi before sivala
sure.
There's a direction that I wanted us to take you get what I'm saying
yeah.
To say kunobafo you're being cheated on
sure
or there is a woman that is being cheated on people react in different ways to cheating but which way is the best that is gonna save you because of just like you said man
sure
you said something that I feel like many people man they are in trouble today if they could have acted ngalendlela or acting ngayo can I explain which way indaba yokuthi usale uzoyenzakalana uvela uthatha decision yothatha the very first pass just to go and confirm lento abayisho because of sometimes after you have confirmed it matters how you react ngoba kunamajita mfethu abathole intombi zicheat or abafazi bacheat or whoever that they found they ended up taking guns shooting those people so sometimes bafethu it's very very important to say you've just discovered something very painful that breaks your heart don't be too quick to react
lami lapha ngasizwa inkosi
ma
and plus nenye into futhi sengiyahlambuluka ugayibe kamdala nakimi ayakhulu
awushabosa ukushawa
yabo
okay
yeah but ke I'm glad because usisangizange ngamshaya
sure
yabo then kwaba into ukuthi iyaphela
sure
let me share this thing but then we close and wrap it up
sure
kenzeka mfethu nithandane as a couple
sure
nibe happy nibe uRomeo no Juliet
sure
mfethu yonke into nibe perfect
sure
mfethu niphuma out nibe inspiration from young people bantu abancane nibe inspiration babukele kunina nithandane
sure
as a couple
sure
but nali iqiniso but ayikho into ebhlungu njengalento ukuthi oyi-1 when wachita wabanjwa noma ningazama ukuyilungisa ayingabi safana leyo relationship ebhuti. If people can understand how deep is cheating ebhuti, noma kuthiwa seniyalungisa niqala phansi niya reunite,
sure
ngeke kusafana
ngoba iyafana lento namanzi angachitheka.
Real Talk with Amadoda Nyasumus. Thank you so much bafowethu for those who have tuned in, and qhubekele njalo bafowethu ni comment ni like, and by the way ninga comment lapha yana nisho ukuthi yipi topic eningathanda ukuthi siyithinte si dive deep kuleyo topic. Feel free bafowethu, and thank you so much. Siyabona na subscriber, siyabona na like, siyabonga kakhulu, and our aim bafowethu is to grow and grow singagcini.
Sibonga.
Amen.
Have a blessed night.